Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about Salesforce Marketing Cloud Multi or Connector. So by default, Salesforce Marketing Cloud default behavior is it comes with a single connector in which a single instance of Marketing Cloud is connected with one single instance of Salesforce CRM. Now, this is the default behavior. So whenever you want to connect your Salesforce Marketing Cloud with Salesforce CRM, in just to make sure that all the tracking data of emails, all the email send activities, they are properly flowing from Viva, from your SFMC to your uh, Salesforce CRM. So you need to use this connector using the connected apps. Plus, you can have all the synchronized data extension through which the data that is there in the Salesforce CRM that is synchronized with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now, there are some instances where we require data segregation, we required asset segregation, we want that there should be different business unit just to make sure that if we have different products, so those products are stored, there is no mix up of those products. So what we do, we create different business unit in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now once we have different business unit, there is a requirement that these business units should be connected to different orgs of Salesforce CRM. So in order to integrate different business unit to different org, we need to activate this multi-org connector. So this multi-org connector is not provided by default. We need to activate it. So sometimes, like if we want to store, if we want to connect our sandbox to a different organization so that all our testing data is being stored in the sandbox environment. So for that, first of all, this multi-org connector should be activated. Once this multi-org connector is activated, then for each business unit, we will have the option to connect that business unit using its own API user. So we have to create an API user, and using connected apps, we can connect different business unit to different Salesforce CRM. So this is the first requirement whenever you are scaling up in SFMC for different products and you want to make sure that the data for these products are being stored in separate CRM. So we go with the multi-org connector, and there's different settings that we need to do in Salesforce CRM, because again, out of the box in Salesforce CRM also we don't have those fields, because it all depends upon what objects, what all fields are there in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and the same should be there in the Salesforce CRM so that there is mapping of the fields. So for that, first of all, we need to install the package called Marketing Cloud Connect. So this Marketing Cloud Connect package, once installed, it gives the option. First of all, it gives a new permission: Marketing Cloud App Exchange Admin and Marketing Cloud App Exchange User. These are the two new permissions that is required to provide to the user, system user, that will be responsible for connecting the data from Salesforce CRM to SFMC. Then for every layout, we need to, because once this Marketing Cloud Connect is installed, we have some new extra fields that are specific to SFMC. So we need to update the layout also, so that on all the layouts, whether it is lead, whether it is contact, whether it is user, we need to put those new fields like send email, email opt out. So all those things should be there in those layouts, so that once the data is flowing, it should have a mapping fields in which it can be stored. For user, we need to update the user layout in which we will be putting these two extra permissions. So, and we will be providing these two extra permission. This is Marketing Cloud App Exchange and Marketing Cloud App Exchange user and Marketing Cloud App Exchange admin, so that the user to whom this access is granted, based upon that user, the information can flow. So it's really a straightforward thing. From SFMC also, we create an API user. This is not a normal user, and we map this API user to the user that we created in our Salesforce CRM. So these two users have a handshake, and after that, once the connected app is connected with Salesforce CRM and the user is integrated with the user of Salesforce CRM, then the information starts flowing in those fields, and we can have all the tracking details, email open, email click, and all the other analytic reports. Based upon that, suggestions are created, and based upon that, if it is in a retail or if it is in any uh, healthcare setup, we send the suggestions based upon the user activity. So it's very important, and again, it all depends upon the user requirement. If it is simple, straightforward, we don't have multiple business unit, it is best to go with the single or connector. And if we have multiple business unit, we need to have our data segregated in different business unit. It is the best choice that we should activate this multi or connector, and then every business unit we have the option that it can be connected to multiple orgs, and up to 5 business unit we can go with. So this is very important connector, and again, it's multi-org connector. Then we have also Marketing Cloud Connect. Multi-org connector, it's make sure that you have the option to integrate each and every business unit to different org. So this is all about multi or connector in Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Salesforce CRM. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.